Okay, so here now we have the completed circuit, power hooked up, and now that is the output or input, to Staticom. So let's see if this particular circuit actually produces results. So here we go. Spirits, can you hear me? Yes or no, spirits, can you hear me? Yeah, great. How many spirits are with us right now? I know what I think I heard. Can you say it clearer? How many spirits are with me right now? What day is today, spirits? How many spirits are with me right now? Can I have a number? All right, thank you. All right, it needs to be tuned, but the white noise circuit is working. Next, we are going to encase it in its EMI restrictive container and make sure we're still getting these voices. All right, we know the circuit was built, completed. We just tested it on Staticom. It does produce voices absolutely like the one we had purchased, so the build was a success. So the next step, I was told, was we have to encase the white noise generator. It is the one component within the system that can pick up electromagnetic interference. And so we are going to use this metal box. This is for electrical circuits, and it is actually designed to block any electromagnetic interference coming from anything within the atmosphere. So we're going to mount that circuit right in the spot in here. We are then going to close it, seal it shut, and this should keep any concerns scientifically or academically that the white noise generator is somehow picking up outside EMI, causing voices to appear. So step 3 of this test, we'll let you know how it goes.